Hello guys, welcome back. So today in this video we're gonna get it prepped and ready for paint. First thing we're gonna do is take the mirror, take the door panel off, take the emblems, headlights, everything off, and get the body, well I guess get the dent fixed on the door, and see wherever else we need to put little putty or from the scratches and stuff like that. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to finish up getting the body work done, get the bumper sanded down and prepped and primered. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start sanding the bumper. As you can see, there's little imperfections right here. We're gonna have to add a little filler, and then there's a scratch right here, scratch right there. So we're gonna sand the whole bumper. There's scratches on the bottom, as you can see, the whole bumper. We're gonna get all that sanded down and primered, and let's get started. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. We got all the body work and bumper and everything primered, what we need to do for this section. Now all that's left is let it dry, and next video just take apart everything else that needs to come off the car to get it ready for paint and wet sand it. So if y'all enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram to get sneak peeks, and we'll see you in the next video.